Kick. She kicked the ball into the goal. He accidentally kicked the chair. Slap. She slapped the mosquito on her arm. He gave his friend a playful slap. Wink. He winked at his friend. She gave a quick wink and smile. Hug. She gave her friend a warm hug. The little boy hugged his teddy bear tightly. Slide. The children loved to slide down the playground. She carefully slid the paper under the door. Walk. I walked to school every morning. They enjoyed a peaceful walk in the park. Hop. The rabbit likes to hop around the garden. She hopped on one foot after stepping on a sharp stone.
Run. He can run very fast. The dog ran towards its owner excitedly. Trot. The horse started to trot along the path. The little girl trotted behind her Faith. Kiss. She kissed her baby goodnight. He gave his mother a goodbye kiss. Jump. The cat jumped onto the table. The kids love to jump on the trampoline. Jog. She jogs every morning to stay fit. They jogged together around the park. Roll. The ball rolled down the hill. He rolled over in bed, trying to sleep. Gallop. The horse galloped across the field. The cowboy galloped away quickly. Crawl. The baby started to crawl on the floor. He crawled under the table to find his toy. Climb. He climbed the tall tree easily. She climbed up the ladder carefully. Ascend. The hikers began to ascend the mountain. The plane ascended into the sky. Descend. They descended the stairs slowly. The sun began to descend behind the hills. Spin. The dancer spun gracefully. The windmill spins when the wind blows. Twist. She twisted the lid to open the jar. He twisted his ankle while running. Pull. She pulled the door open. He pulled his friend out of the pool. Push. He pushed the heavy box forward. She pushed the swing gently. Lift. He lifted the suitcase with one hand. She lifted her baby into the air. Carry. She carried the groceries home. He carried his little brother on his shoulders. Drag. He dragged the chair across the floor. She dragged her suitcase up the stairs. Toss. She tossed the ball to her friend. He tossed his hat into the air. Catch. She caught the falling book. Throw. He threw the paper into the bin. She threw the ball to her brother. Punch. He punched the punching bag hard. The boxer threw a powerful punch. Hit. He hit the nail with a hammer. She hit the drum with a stick. Clap. They clapped after the performance. She clapped her hands with excitement. Tiptoe. She tiptoed into the room to avoid waking the baby. He walked on tiptoe to peek over the fence. Thanks for watching and don't forget subscribe English Class Time.